Yeah, don't worry, I got you. A warm fitted just arrived, so I'll show you how to safely hand wash it without damaging the shape or brim. So here's what you're going to need. A bowl or a basin, a hat brush, stain remover, hand washing detergent. Check the label to find out the material, and if it's wool, be sure to use a wool safe detergent, a white sponge, some microfiber cloths, a mannequin head. If you don't have one, I'll show you how to use a towel instead, a hand steamer, or you can use a kettle. Call me paranoid, but I always steam thrifted hats just in case to get rid of any mites. Washing alone won't do it, so just use a hand steamer or a kettle. First up, remove any stickers and then chuck it in the bin. Just messing. You can save it for later and put it back on if you want. Then brush the inside and outside of the hat. Make sure to lift up the sweatband and get behind there too. Now fill the bowl with warm water and mix in the detergent. Only soak and hand wash the crown. We'll get onto the brim later. Use the sponge to agitate the crown. This will break up any body oil and dirt. As you can see here, a bit of the water seeped from the crown onto the brim. Don't worry though, it's not going to ruin it. If that does happen, just finish washing up quickly, rinse the crown thoroughly, and then dry it with a cloth. Now it's time to clean the brim with the stain remover. Spray it on both sides and then blot and wipe clean. And dry again with the cloth. The sweatband's the last part to clean now, so spray it all the way around it and then blot and wipe once more. To keep it shaped whilst it's drying, place it on a hat stand or a mannequin head. If you don't have one of those, you can use a rolled up towel like this to keep the shape. To speed up the drying time on the brim, use a hairdryer on a cool setting. And once the hat is dry, check to see if there are any stubborn stains remain, and if so, just spot clean it again. And if you're so inclined, pop the sticker back on. And to keep your hat protected from stains and accidents, just apply the hat protector. Yeah, I hope this helps. Let me know how it goes. If you have any more questions, leave me a comment or drop me a message.